This is my Logitech C922 Pro my wife got me as gift to stream on my Xbox One S. The cable length is about 5 feet. It was around $80 on Amazon. It even came with a mini tripod. It runs 108p with 30 FPS and can do 720p with 60 FPS. You can put it on your monitor or TV. By the way, go check out my gaming channel BeyondBox'd XP. It will show white LED lights on each side to let you know it's on, but you have to be running a game for it to work on Xbox from what I know. Hope you enjoyed this review. More exciting products coming soon, so stick around and see what's beyond the box next. God bless.